Watch how we create a soft, long-lasting hybrid brow stain using Helyx Hybrid Dye. I'm going to take you through a full step-by-step application from prep to finish so you can see exactly how we build even saturation, controlled stain depth and refined placement for a clean, balanced result. Before beginning the service, preparation of the skin is one of the most important steps in achieving a consistent result. We begin with a deep cleanse and a gentle exfoliation using our Elleebana makeup remover and doe foot applicator to remove any makeup residue, oils, skincare or brow buildup that may create barriers on the skin and affect how evenly the dye develops. It's important to note that exfoliation is not recommended directly after a brow lamination treatment, as the skin has already been exposed to active ingredients throughout the service. Additional abrasion at this stage may create unnecessary sensitivity or irritation for the client. Once the skin has properly been prepared, we move on to brow mapping. This step is essential in ensuring symmetry and structure and allows us to design a brow that is balanced and intentional before any product is applied. It sets the foundation for everything that follows. Here we're just using a brow mapping tool and our Elleebana white brow pencil. Our formulation for this service is going to be 5 drops of maple sugar and 1 drop of Hazelwood, giving us a soft, controlled base tone that we can build and refine throughout the application. We then begin application by stamping in the baseline layer first, working from the lower brow line into the arch and through to the tail. This creates structure and anchors the shape from the start. From there, we move back through the middle of the brow, gradually building product and refining as we go. Micro tips are used throughout to clean and control edges, ensuring the shape remains precise without disrupting the stain. This layering approach is key to developing a deep stain. By keeping the product wet, we are able to achieve a deeper, more even stain across the skin. Helyx allows full flexibility throughout the process, meaning we can revisit areas as needed, adjust saturation, and refine product placement before the final result. As we continue to build layers, we can introduce a long-tipped micro swab to further refine the outline and sharpen the product edge as we continue to apply and reapply. To create a soft ombre finish, we remove the head of the brow at around 3 to 4 minutes using a dry cotton tip, allowing for a gentle fade through the front while maintaining definition through the body and tail of the brow. The total processing time for this treatment was 15 minutes, but this can really depend on the desired result of the client. Helyx is formulated with Veg 18, designed to help hydrate the hair and support strength, with proven results of improving hair condition up to 21%. Once the desired result is achieved, the remaining product is removed, revealing a clear, controlled stain with soft dimension. You'll notice as we remove the product from the first brow, we assess the depth of the stain and decide we would like to build slightly more intensity through certain areas. We're able to remove, reassess and reapply product where needed to build additional depth and saturation. This gives us ultimate control over the final result and allows the stain to be refined progressively throughout the treatment. Once all the product has been removed following a dry, then damp removal, we can move on to refining the brows with a detailed tidy tailored to the client's natural growth pattern and desired finish. This may include brow scissors to trim any excess length, tweezing for precise hair removal, or waxing to create a cleaner outline and more structure. This final refinement step helps elevate the overall result, enhancing symmetry, sharpening the shape, and ensuring the finished brow looks polished, intentional, and complete. We finished the treatment with the Hyaluronic Boost Serum, helping to hydrate and support the hairs post-treatment, and also offering a beautiful shine. If you have any other questions, please let us know, and we hope you love this beautiful Helyx Hybrid Dye final result.